This is a very quick video just to show you how to find the median on a calculator by using the equation solver. And I'm sorry for the slightly wobbly video, but I haven't got a clamp for my phone. We're going to find the median of this. And the way we're going to do it is solve this equation. We need to find the value m, which means that the integral from 2 to m of the PDF is exactly equal to a half. This is the same as the area under this curve equaling a half between a left point of 2 and a right point of m. Now what we're going to do is we are going to enter this into our Casio calculators. We're going to go into the equation solver and we're going to type in the equation that I've written there. There is a slightly annoying thing about it, which is that we're using x inside the integral for the function, and we're using x on the top of the integral as an endpoint. It would be nice if the Casio calculators let us change the variable name to an m, but for some reason Casio only use x as the variable. So we're going to go over to the Casio calculator now, and we are going to enter this in. So I am going into equation mode, and it asks you for the equation. Now you've first of all got to figure out how on earth to get the integral sign into the calculator. If I zoom out slightly, if you press the option button, loads of options appear. If we then press calc, you can see that one of the calculus options is an integral. So I can now fill in all the details in these boxes by scrolling left and right. So the lower bound is 2. The upper bound is x, which is that button there. And then in here, I type in the PDF, and the PDF was 2 over 21 x. And because this is an equation to solve, I actually need to create an equation, so I need to set it equal to something. The equal sign is shift and dot. So I set that equal to 0.5. Now it's going to ask me for an initial value for x and upper and lower bounds. You can normally ignore these unless you're doing something particularly nasty that the equation is going to get confused. I just put 2 in because 2 is the lower bound of the integral. You can normally ignore the lower and upper bounds. Just press execute at the bottom right. It thinks for a little bit and it tells me the answer is 3.807 and so on. So it gave me that answer, and that means that the median is approximately 3.81.